How to fix Windows 10 Realtek high definition audio driver issue. So if you are facing these issues, then watch this video till the end. If you are getting no sound after upgrading to Windows 10, then don't need to worry at all. This may be a driver problem. Your audio driver is probably missing out the updates, so you need to do some work, and you need to just follow those fixes which I am giving you, and it will be resolved automatically. First of all, go to driver manager. In window R, type div management and .msc and go to driver manager to see whether this issue is showing or not. You can see this error is showing in driver manager, so you need to first update your drivers. You can right click on the Realtek and click on uninstall, then you can simply update your driver and you can reinstall it from driver manager. So this is the website of Realtek, realtek.com, and this is a link. I will share you this link in the description of this video. You can download the driver from here. Simply download it. Select your Windows 10 or 11, whichever you have. So select the proper Windows and install the driver, and after installing the driver you need to again run the exe file, and then you need to install the driver so that it gets installed from the scratch. Automatically update the Realtek audio drivers, and then you will be able to use it properly. After doing this process, make sure to restart your computer and then check whether it is showing or not. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.